Hey y'all, welcome back to That's So Janae. So, as you can see by the thumbnail and the title, we are going to a Monster Jam show. A Monster Jam show or a Monster Truck show?
It's a monster truck show called Monster Jam.
Yeah, Monster Truck show called Monster Jam. So, I'm going to be going with my brother. Jamer, say hi.
Hi. I'm not going to Monster Jam. It's Traxxas.
But we went shopping first, and the Monster Jam starts like 6. Yeah, it starts at 6, and we're just waiting. And we're gonna take an Uber, cause there's like gonna be no parking, and then like Ubers like just drop you off anywhere. So yeah. So I see you when I go to the Monster Jam, or when I get to the Monster Jam. But I won't meet y'all at home. So by the way, y'all know those trends that's like the trend that's like when you take a outshine bar, a mango outshine bar, and then you put like a fruit roll up on it, and that becomes a snack. But and you're supposed to put tahini on it, but I don't have tahini, so we're just gonna do the fruit roll up and the outshine bar. So I'm gonna record it when I get home. I'm gonna show you if it's good or not. So, and I have an honest review. So yeah. So see you when I get home. So let's do the outshine and the fruit roll up. So I have the fruit thing. Back up. So I have the fruit roll up. Is it upside? No. I have the fruit roll up. And get the outshine. I've been in the freezer for like a couple minutes, so like this should be good. Outshine. I got mango because mango is the best one. So let's get our outshine bar. Let me open this. Hey. How is this young man? Yeah, he's right here with me. Want to share?
No. A mess. I did too. Drop it?
So this is the mango shop. This is the mango outshine bar. Let's open it. Actually, let's open the fruit roller first, because I don't want this to wait.
Nah. I open it in my eyes.
Yeah, hold on. But he right here with me. Oh, this your man. But he right here with me. Alright, good. So we got one of our fruit roll-ups. Let's open it. Let's open our fruit roll-up. So good. So let's open our mango outshine. Gonna leave that right here.
I'm gonna roll up too.
Alright, wait, okay. Get the wrap. Y'all cannot see it through this, bro. Alright, wrap it.
Oh my God, bro.
This is not enough, but that's okay.
Can do mine too.
Yeah, hold on, okay. And it sounds hard.
Okay, I get it. Maybe you don't know that.
Yeah.
You don't know her situation. Let's see if I got something there.
Mine roll.
Alright, good. This is good. Alright, so bon appetit. 3, 2, 1.
Not doing my roll. That's not fair. Can do mine too.
Which country? You have a bite? It's so good. I actually. And it's crunchy too. It's like I imagine it's crunchy.
Open mine too.
No, Janae, open. Oh, I'm carrying 2 bags. Is it good?
It's so good.
My ice cream.
Janae, why you didn't do it for him too? You see you did something.
I was about to.
So these.
And it's crunchy, Mama.
Wait. These little things are tongue tattoos. If you hold it on your tongue, it'll come off on your tongue.
Mommy, I want you to hear it crunch.
It's like Tom Hulu.
Mm-hmm. But like I.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Pay the rent, yeah, but because of me constantly, you have to understand that there's certain people who
This is so good.
Oh,
Well,
yeah.
I'll see y'all. You'll see y'all when I go to the Monster here. So good, bro. Y'all need to try this. Y'all, so we in the Uber right now, and then we're all on our way to the Monster House. And sorry for not giving y'all an outfit check, but this is my outfit. So yeah, I'm in the Uber right now, and I'll see you in the Monster thing. So I'm about to be there in like 5 minutes, or like 10 or 5 minutes. So yeah, so I'll see y'all when I'm out there. Guys, we made it. We made it here. We're here, safe and sound. So we're about to go to the arena. Is there an arena?
Where are we?
Monster Jam. Dimmer, you all quick and fast, bro.
We gotta go up
Yeah. And I'm gonna go to the Monster Jam. So I'm excited. Everybody's excited. So yeah. So this is, if it's fun.
I love it.
Playing crazy Montana Robbins for your fans are just joining us in the building. He's only 18 years old. He's 18 years old Monster Jam Truck.
JJ, Damien, say hi. Oh no. That's crazy. Oh yeah, he definitely left for that.
This dude has made history right there. Monster Jam debut. His first Monster Jam race. That's his first Monster Jam roll number 2.
Yeah, he crazy for that. He wilding for that.
Jay. Jay.
He wilding for
Say
that.
hi.
Hi.
Yeah, he bugging. He down back.
You said what? Which one of our feet? Oh, yes. Sorry for you.
Mommy.
my friend.
Mommy.
Okay, okay. I'll call you back when there's more trucks. Or I send you videos.
Oh, that's not crazy. He was wilding for that. Yeah, he was wilding for that. Yeah, I'm gonna let that truck not going back there. Let's see what he does. Whoa! Don't flip! Don't flip! Don't flip! Keep on a flip. Keep on a flip. I know. Keep on a flip. Keep on a flip. Keep on a flip. Yeah. Buddy! Brother! 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 My dear brother! My dear brother! My dear brother! My dear brother! 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 Ooh! 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 Wait! Wait! Oh! I thought he... Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Bro! Bro! Yeah! Yeah, bro! Give me that! Alright, y'all, that is the end of the video. I hope y'all like it. Make sure to like and subscribe this video. If you liked it, if you like that subscribe button, you are now one of my elite employees. I'm sorry. That trend is still in my head. But thank you for watching this. And if you're one of the nenes, I know that's weird, but if you're one of the nenes, you are now one of my elite employees. Wow, now you're. If one of my nenes watched this video, I love them. I just want to make sure. I just want to say I love y'all, and have a good night. Good night or day, wherever you're watching this. Good night, good day, good afternoon, good evening, whatever. But stay tuned for next vlog or next skit, because I do be making skits now.
No, night.
And say bye.
Bye. See you later.
So bye. Love y'all, nenes. Love y'all, nenes.
Love y'all.
Thanks for watching. Thank you for one of my nays. My nays. Thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe this channel. Hope I see you in the next vlog. I know this don't sound any sense, but just say